Hello everyone, I'm Cindy Venetia Ginting, and now I want to explain about National Curriculum K13 used in secondary schools. Let's see together. So the first is curriculum. What is curriculum? Curriculum is a set plans and arrangements regarding objective, content, and learning materials, as well as the method used as an implementation guide learning activities to achieve certain educational goals. Next is, what is a curriculum 2013? Curriculum 2013 or K13 is the applicable curriculum in the Indonesian education system. Okay, and next is part of K13. First is foundation philosophy. The philosophical foundation in curriculum development determines the quality of students who will achieve the curriculum, research and content from the curriculum, the learning process, the position of the students, the assessment learning outcomes, and student relationship with the community and the surrounding natural environment. The 2013 curriculum, which was developed, used the following philosophy. First is, root education in the nation culture to both present and future life of the nation. 2. Students are heirs of the nation's creative culture. According to the philosophical view, the nation's achievements in various fields, life in the last days is something that must be contained in the curriculum content for students to learn. 3. Education aimed at developing intelligence, intellectual and academic brilliance through education disciplines. 4. Education to build present and future life, a better future than the past with various abilities, intellectual skill, communication skill, social attitude, caring and participate in building community life and a better nation. And B is sociological foundation. The 2013 curriculum was developed on the basis of the need for change in educational design and process in order to meet the dynamics of the life of the community, nation, and state as it should be contained in the goals of national education. Nowadays, the development of education in Indonesia can be separate from the developments in science, technology, and the arts. And C. Physico-Pedagogical Foundation 2013 curriculum to meet the requirements, the conception of education that is centered on the development of students along with the contents as it should be interpreted in the conception transformative pedagogy. This concept demands that the curriculum must be positioned as a vehicle for maturation of students according to its psychological development and getting treatment in according with the context of the environment and the era. And the theoretical foundation. The 2013 curriculum was developed on the theory of education based on standards or standards-based education and theory-based curriculum competence or competency-based curriculum. Education based on set standards for the existence of national standards as minimum quality, citizens who are beyond into content standards, process standards, standards competence of graduates, standards of educators and education personnel, facility and infrastructure standards, management standards, and standards financing and educational standards. Okay everyone, and now about the parts of the curriculum or K13. First is purpose. The purpose of education as development, balance, growth of potential and total personality, human beings through spiritual, intellectual, feeling, and experience physical so as to become a human who continues to grow. And B about materials. Indeterminate learning materials or teaching materials do not spirit from the philosophy and theory of education developed. In this case, learning materials are arranged, logical, and systematic. And C is learning strategy. The strategy for implementing the curriculum is illustrated by the way except and carrying out teaching, the way in conduct and assessment, how to carry out guidance and counseling, and how to organize school activities as a whole. In Ketiga-based learning, there are several principles that must be followed considered jointly by the teachers in implementing. D. Curriculum organization. Diverse views and developed curriculum brings diversity within organized curriculum. According to research, there are at least 6 kinds of curriculum organization. According to research, most there are no 6 types of curriculum organization. Namely, first is separate subject, 2 correlate subject, 3 field of study, 4 child and center, and 5 core problem. And the last is curriculum evaluation. In a broader sense, curriculum evaluation and for overall performance evaluation review from various criteria, poor performance indicators only limited to effectiveness, but also relevance, efficiency, eligibility program. Okay everyone, and now about competency state in Ketiga-based for English subject in secondary school. The 20 and 13 curriculum in basic education and secondary education, as referred to in paragraph, first is consists of a curriculum structure, curriculum framework, thematic integrated learning approach for the implementation of learning at elementary schools. In the implementation of learning in junior high school, the learning approach method use a subject stand-alone lesson. Okay everyone, I think that's all my explanation about national curriculum or Ketiga-based used and in secondary school. Thank you very much and see you.